Hey, what's up everyone? Long time no see. Today we decided that we're going to do something fun with the kids. I remember back in the days when kids used to play with toys or toy cars. Boys used to race cars and play with trucks and make truck car sounds like So, we're going to do a challenge with my boys and we're going to see who can make the best car sound. So, I want you to send a comment down below to let me know who you think makes the best car sound. Let's begin. Alright, so we're going to start first with Hito. Hito, what car you want to do?
I gotta do
The Toyota Supra. Okay. Let's go. Okay, good job. Okay, Ray, what car are you going to do?
I'm gonna do the Nissan GTR.
The Nissan GTR. Nice. All right, Naomi, what car are you going to do?
I'm gonna do Ferrari.
The Ferrari. Ooh, nice car. Okay. Here we go. Go. You sound like you're farting. Okay, and I'm going to do the Bugatti Chiron. So again, I want you guys to send a comment down below to let us know which car you think sounds real. Here we go.
That sounds hip as shit. That sounds people pooping. Excuse me. Oh my.
What a song.
So, tell us which car you think sounds real. Thank you for watching and see you again.
Like this video.
Please hit the like button. Bye-bye.